arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Delmonico Red Pearl Coat, 3.92 rear axle ratio, Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio, carpet floor covering front and rear floor mats, rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, quick order package 26A Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA DSV VTE torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, Tradesman group included, spray and bed liner class 4 receiver hitch, front fog lamps and class 4 receiver hitch. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to